needed some trailer ramps for all the junk I got out in my backyard. I told absolutely no one of my desire to get them trailer ramps, but the algorithm seems to know what we're thinking. Scrolling through Facebook, across some trailer ramps that were too good of deal for me to pass up. All been on Facebook and seen these ads for Vervor ramps. Or have we? Is it just me? I don't know. If you do end up buying these ramps, you definitely need to put in the code that's on the bottom of that picture that I just put up, or you won't get that discount. Didn't get it because I didn't put in the code. That's the first thing to know. So I ordered these bad lads off of there. Now they came in really freaking quick. I mean, literally, I think I had these things within a week for like $208, which is hard to pass up considering the amount of aluminum that must have been used in these. They told me the dimensions. Mine are like the 5 by whatever, 2 feet or something like that. They should be adequate enough. I kind of wished I would have spent a little bit more. I'm not totally disappointed with these ramps, and more than likely I could not have bought the aluminum for these ramps at $200 and then do all the work of cutting them up. I will say, when you're having Asians that are between the age of 6 to 12 making stuff, well, the welding's about, if not better, than what I could have done myself. These are terrible, to say the least. But, you know, I mean, you know, for some Vervor or whatever you call that, it is what it is. I definitely got what I expected. I didn't think too much about it. I didn't put as much thought into buying these like I did think about buying things in the 80s. You know, this portion of it, the construction of them, but yeah, these are definitely the welding abilities of the Asians that assembled these. Probably could be a little bit better. And I don't know if they've ever heard of a grinder down there, but kind of reminds me of the Wu-Tang Jungle in the meanwhile down in Grand Rapids, Michigan, needing a candle treasure map to find your way to the wet spot. Grind up a little bit, ladies. It doesn't hurt. What was I talking about? Oh, the cheap ramps. Yeah, that could have helped too, but ultimately, I'm not very disappointed. Welding and all. You probably won't be either. Check this out though. Now, I don't have a lot of money, but I do buy some stuff here and there, and I try to do some of these home product reviews. So if you dig this kind of stuff, remember, don't be the next to them, be the very first to you. And if anyone else can do it, you can certainly do it too. Consider subscribing, clicking the notifications, sending me them sweet old thumbs up. If you've got a question for me, and it's not baby mama drama related, or where to get a candle and a treasure map, I don't know, you can hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook Messenger. I answer automotive questions for absolutely free. Don't track information, don't care about none of that stuff. I just want to help keep food on your table and gas in your car. God bless. Have the absolute best of days, folks.